Welcome to episode 79 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor, here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
The mastermind behind one of the most groundbreaking moments in AI history, when a machine beat a human world champion at the complex game of Go, is none other than Demis Hassabis.
That's right, Jonas. Demis Hassabis isn't just a name in AI circles. He's the force behind DeepMind and the brilliance of AlphaGo. Today, we're diving into who he is and why his work with reinforcement learning has shaken both academia and industry.
Let's start with some background. Demis Hassabis is a British AI researcher and entrepreneur. He founded DeepMind in 2010 with the ambition of solving intelligence and using it to solve everything else. The crowning achievement? Developing AlphaGo, the AI program that defeated Lee Sedol, a top-ranked Go player in 2016.
And for those who don't know, Go is that ancient Asian board game that's famously tough for machines. Its complexity is orders of magnitude greater than chess because there are more possible moves and far less straightforward strategies. So beating a world champion at Go wasn't just winning a game. It was a statement about advanced AI capabilities.
Exactly. Now, to understand why AlphaGo was such a breakthrough, we need to unpack the concept of reinforcement learning, which Hassabis and DeepMind used masterfully.
Reinforcement learning is like training a dog with treats, right? You reward behavior you want to encourage and discourage what you don't. In AI terms, it's about teaching machines to make decisions and learn from feedback, rather than just following hard-coded instructions.
Precisely. Unlike supervised learning, where a model learns from labeled examples, reinforcement learning involves an agent interacting with an environment, making choices, then getting rewards or penalties based on those choices. Over time, it learns strategies that maximize its rewards.
In real-world businesses, I see reinforcement learning popping up in areas like recommendation engines, robotics, and supply chain optimization. For example, companies use it to improve warehouse automation. Robots learn the best routes to pick and pack products efficiently.
Coming back to Demis Hassabis, he had a rare combination of skills and interests. Before AI, he was a child prodigy in chess, then a successful video game designer, and later a neuroscientist. That blend of gameplay experience, creativity, and scientific curiosity shaped his approach to building AI systems.
That's fascinating. It shows how diverse experiences contribute to breakthroughs. And in consultancy, we often stress that innovation isn't just about coding or math. It's about the mindset and cross-pollination of knowledge.
Another key aspect of Hassabis's work is leveraging ideas from neuroscience, how the brain learns and makes decisions, to inspire AI architectures. For instance, DeepMind's AI often models concepts like memory and attention, mirroring brain function.
And that has big implications for business. When we implement AI systems inspired by human learning, they tend to adapt better to changing environments, important for industries like finance or healthcare, where conditions evolve quickly.
Exactly. DeepMind's hallmark isn't just raw computing power, it's the combination of sophisticated algorithms and clever architectural design. AlphaGo used deep neural networks in conjunction with reinforcement learning, allowing it to evaluate board positions and plan moves with unprecedented depth.
I recall the ripple effect this created in the AI world. After AlphaGo's success, many industries began seriously investing in reinforcement learning and AI strategies. In automotive, for example, companies started focusing more on autonomous driving tech that relies on trial and error learning.
Yes, and Hassabis's vision didn't stop at games. DeepMind has since expanded into healthcare, energy efficiency, and protein folding. Their AI helped reduce Google data centers' energy consumption significantly and even accelerated the discovery of protein structures through AlphaFold.
That's a perfect example of theory becoming truly practical impact, from beating a world champion at Go to saving millions in energy costs and advancing biology. That's a journey companies can learn from.
Another interesting point is how DeepMind under Hassabis balances open publishing with commercial partnerships, like Google acquiring them in 2014. This strategic move gave them the resources to tackle larger problems while continuing to share research with the world.
I've worked with clients hesitant about partnerships because of IP concerns, but DeepMind shows how alliances can boost innovation without stifling transparency completely. It's about striking the right balance to leverage massive datasets and compute power.
To sum up, Demis Hassabis embodies the synthesis of theory, practice, and vision in AI. His work with DeepMind has shown how reinforcement learning can push the boundaries of what machines can learn.
And from a business perspective, his story underscores the importance of experimenting, embracing new frameworks like reinforcement learning, and aiming beyond short-term gains to solve big challenges.
So, let's wrap with the key takeaway. Amy?
When you hear Demis Hassabis and DeepMind, think about the power of combining deep scientific knowledge with real-world problems. Reinforcement learning isn't just academic. It's a toolkit for enabling AI systems that learn from experience, opening new doors across industries.
Well said. And to add, understanding the history and people behind AI reminds us that progress comes from human creativity, curiosity, and interdisciplinary thinking, the same qualities that drive innovation in any business.
Next time, we'll talk about Sam Altman, another big name transforming AI's future, especially with applications like GPT and OpenAI.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions about today's episode. Who knows, we might feature them in future shows. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.